Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet app, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you'll enter to Google Meet. When you'll find this page, we click on first stop. Then we click OK. After that you'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end you can go to your Wi-Fi and you can turn off your Wi-Fi as you see here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.